new update. There's a new set of cosmetics in the store. Better stock up on your rain gear. It looks like it could start raining in the future. What? Okay, let's check it out. I don't. Oh, rainy! Yo! Check these out. I mean, how much? Oh, goddamn. Let's check these out. Ooh, cute. Tickle. Tickle. I could kick someone. I could kick someone. I could literally just. Boom. Oh, there's a cloud. Oh, I like it. Wait, hold on. Best fit. Rate the drip. Rate the drip. Cracked. How much do these cost? I need one more day, and I can afford those two. Let's check them out. No, I don't. Anyway, these are sick. So, rate the fit. I'm kidding. Bro, literally though. This looks nice. Okay, so, yeah, I really like it. How am I doing that? But, hold up. What? Oh, I get it. I really like these. So, I rate these a 10 out of 10. Amazing.